Alright guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to Klaiyi Hair for sending us this beautiful wig that we're going to go inside and look at. This is the packaging, it's in a bag. Anyway, let's go into the box and see what's inside. We receive a edge band right there with the name on it. I love the green, by the way. Oh, what's inside? What is this? Wow. Oh my God. This is beautiful. Guys, we received some goodies. We received brushes and combs. Look at that. Their name is even on it. Look. And then we have 2 clips. These are so cute. We have the brush, another brush with their name, and 2 combs. So now I'm lit, okay? Alright, so this is very cute. The color is popping. Anyway, thank you so much for the goodies. Guys, you will receive, you know what? You guys will receive one of this on your Black Friday purchase. So make sure you grab. There's a sale going on, okay? You see that? You don't have to go to the beauty supply store and get no comb or brush because it's right here for free. You're getting all of this for free with your Black Friday purchase. So make sure you visit the website. Everything will be in the description down below. But let's get into this hair. Alright, let's see what type of wig this is. This is a kinky straight. Oh, look at that. It's a, I am in love. I'm obsessed. I'm in love. I'm obsessed. Guys, it is a 5x7. No, it's not a 5x7. Alright guys, this is a 7x5, which is amazing. Kinky straight. I absolutely fall in love with kinky hair now. It is 24 inches, of course, and the lace is already pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-plucked. This is beginner friendly, so if you're not a person to install wig, this is the wig for you. They also bleach the knots. It comes with a adjustable band. We have a comb at the back. We have this, so it's snug on your head. I absolutely love wigs like these. So yeah, and it's stretchies, okay? Also, it comes with middle part. I feel like I'm gonna leave it in the middle part. I'm excited to install this wig. What do you guys think? Let's go into the details. I'm a fan of kinky, okay? I never used to think like, oh, but now I'm in love. And this, the texture is amazing. Look at that lace. Pre-plucked, pre-cut. It's just beautiful. Just get into that lace. We are definitely going to install this wig. So thanks to Klaiyi Hair for sending us this beautiful wig. You guys can grab this for Black Friday. Don't miss out, okay? It's the holiday. Go get it. Look at that. So easy, super easy. 7x5. It's super wide, so you have so much space. It's almost like a full frontal, so I love it. So make sure you guys check the description. We're gonna install this. Let's get into it. All right, guys, we are gonna style this wig. The 7x5 Yaki straight. We're gonna install it, but I want to style it. I absolutely love it's a adjustable band. So let's fix this. Listen, I'm not gonna lie. I low-key feel like I love the Yaki texture here now. Like, I feel like because of my hair type, and I know a lot of females can attest to that, I feel like it works in favor for us. So I'm not gonna lie, the bye-bye knots, Yaki texture, it's giving like all natural, okay? This is in a longer length, so I'm excited. We're gonna style it. It is so cool. So we're gonna go in and style it. It's a straight wig, so definitely all we're gonna do is use the hot comb, flat iron, da 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 da, sa da da da, and that's it. So let's get into it. We're done. Like I said, I like to style the wigs before. Look at this. Bone straight. I went ahead and just clip off the ends, but this is beautiful for a yaki texture. Look at that. So we're gonna get into the install, which is gonna be super easy because we already flat ironed the hair. That's it. So pretty. Looks super natural. All right, let's get into it. All right guys, it's time for us to do the install of this wig. It's gonna be super easy because it's basically glueless. Okay, everything is already prepped, so we're gonna get into that. And like always, I like to cover my head. We're gonna do that with an invisible cap that was sent with the wig. This one is snug, sis. We're gonna fit the wig onto her head and see how it looks, but I wanna add some makeup. First, this is a way to ensure that you get a natural look of the wig on your head. Just add whatever makeup matches you or your skin tone. So it's perfect. I'm not using a lot because I'm gonna pull it back. So this is the wig. See how beautiful this is? Yes, it's a closure. Look at that pluck, the bye-bye knots, and we're gonna go in. It is snug. Let's fit it first, just to see. Oh my God. Guys, you see that? Hello? Guys, look here. I go crazy for something you can just slide on and do nothing to it. Yeah, like look at this. Nothing beats this. Nothing. Guys, like I literally don't need to do anything, but because y'all know me, I'm gonna go in. Kahili here. Kudos. And I absolutely love the Yaki here. No, I'm getting into that, okay? But just look at this. This is so pretty. Guys, I am not even gonna add no baby hair, no nothing. I'm just gonna literally tab it with some spritz. Just spritz. All right. We got some comb and some stuff, so we're gonna use these. So all I did was add the spritz to the hair. That's it. Now I want to hold it down for a minute. I am going to get into my makeup. This is so easy install. As long as you prep the hair, you're good to go, and the hair feels so good. So I'm gonna get into my makeup, and then we're gonna talk about the hair. I also received some goodies, so I'm using them. So let's get into this. Ooh, look at that. Let's take this off. You see this? I feel so cute. This is a closure. Just to let y'all know, it's 5 by 7, okay? Yaki straight, 24 inches. You can't go wrong with this. Kahili here, y'all did this. I just feel like, you know, I've been slaying these wigs. I think I am. What do you guys, look at that. It's glueless. It is. What? I can't wait to take a picture. Oh. Alright guys, so this is in 24 inches Yaki straight, which is like our ear texture, which is amazing. I didn't have to do much, so I did flat iron the ear last night. All I did was, the part was already there, so this is something you can slide on your head. The way the band is set up around the back, I want to show you guys. Let me fix it. I'm gonna show you guys something. Look, can you guys see? Look how this wig sits on the head. Y'all see that? So basically you can pin it up. It's beautiful. I want to thank Kahili here again for sending us this beautiful wig, 24 inches Yaki straight. Everything will be in the description bar, so you guys, all you guys need to do is check it out. It is beautiful, it's perfect, and thanks again. I'm gonna get into this slow-mo, so make sure you guys check the description bar. Let's get into the cute look.